In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract on Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process together, from uploading your contract, to placing the signature fields, to actually sending it out for signing. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause at any point to complete each step. First, once you're logged into your Pandadoc account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a button labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start any new agreement or contract in Pandadoc. Next, you'll be asked how you want to create your document. For this workflow, we're going to use a contract you already have. Click on Select File, then browse your computer to find the contract file you want to send. This could be a PDF, a Word document, or another supported format. Once you've selected it, Pandadoc will upload and open it for you to work with. After the file has loaded, you'll move on to adding the people who need to sign. Look for the section that lets you add recipients. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of your signers. Make sure you type these carefully because this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. You can also label each recipient, for example, as client or internal signer, to keep things organized. When you've added everyone who needs to sign or receive a copy, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll see your contract on the screen with a panel of fields on the right-hand side. From this panel, find the signature field and drag it onto the document. Place it exactly where you want the signer's signature to appear, usually near the bottom of the contract. If you have multiple signers, be sure to assign each signature field to the correct person using the recipient dropdown, so the right person is prompted to sign in the right place. Once your fields are placed and everything looks good, click on Review and Send. This is your chance to double-check the document, your recipients, and the fields one more time. You'll be prompted to enter a document name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later. Then click Continue again. Now, type the email message that will accompany the contract. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so briefly explain what the document is and if there's anything specific they should pay attention to. Finally, when you're ready, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients with a secure link so they can open, review, and sign your contract online.